Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Agathe-des-Monts is a charming town in the heart of Quebec's Laurentian mountains. Nestled between beautiful lakes and rolling hills, this town is a perfect mix of nature and culture. Sainte-Agathe-des-Monts was founded in the mid-1800s and became a popular vacation destination thanks to its fresh mountain air and peaceful setting. During the 19th century, it was well known as a health resort, especially for patients recovering from tuberculosis. Today, it continues to attract visitors with its relaxing vibe and outdoor activities. One of the town's most iconic landmarks is the Sainte-Agathe Church, a stunning stone building built in 1905. It sits atop a hill and is visible from many points in the town. The main street, or Rue Principale, is another highlight.
Thank you very much.
You'll find a mix of charming wooden storefronts and brick buildings leading down to Lac de Sable, the town's main lake. This lake is the centerpiece of Sainte-Agathe's social life, with parks, a dock, and spots to enjoy ice cream in the summer. Sainte-Agathe is also a gateway to the Laurentians. In the winter, it's a hub for skiing and snowboarding at nearby Mont Blanc, or Mont Tremblant. During the warmer months, you can enjoy hiking, mountain biking, or even kayaking on the serene lakes. Whether you're here for the natural beauty, outdoor fun, or just to relax, Sainte-Agathe-des-Monts offers something for everyone.